In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute and unmute yourself in a Google Meet meeting. Whether you're joining a meeting or setting one up yourself, managing your microphone is crucial for maintaining good communication etiquette and avoiding unexpected background noise interruptions. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to join a Google Meet call, or if needed, create a new meeting. It's essential to familiarize yourself with the interface before the meeting begins, so you're not scrambling during a critical moment. Upon entering the meeting, note the layout of the screen in front of you. You'll see a variety of icons at the bottom of the Google Meet window. These are your main set of tools during a meeting. Among these tools, the microphone icon is what we're focusing on today. It typically looks like a small microphone and is usually positioned alongside the camera and hang up icons. Clicking this microphone icon is the most straightforward way to mute yourself. When you do so, you'll notice the icon changes. It turns red with a noticeable slash running through it. This visual cue is a quick indicator that you've successfully muted yourself, preventing any sound from your environment from being broadcasted to the meeting attendees. If at any point you wish to unmute yourself, simply click the microphone icon again. The red slash will disappear, indicating that you're now unmuted and can freely speak. This toggle functionality is straightforward and efficient, making it easy to participate in discussions without hassle. For those who prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's a handy quick key option for Windows users. You can mute or unmute by pressing Ctrl+D. Mastering this shortcut can enhance your efficiency and allow you to mute and unmute without moving your cursor at all, hardly missing a beat in the conversation. Another useful tip is to use the spacebar for the push to talk feature. When you hold down the spacebar, you're temporarily unmuted, allowing you to speak quickly, then mute again by releasing it. This is particularly useful for contributing short comments or responding to quick queries without the need for permanent toggling. Remember, muting yourself is naturally beneficial when you're in a noisy environment or just need a quick break from speaking without affecting the meeting's progress. Even while muted, you'll still be able to hear others and see their video feeds, keeping you in the loop until it's time for your voice to make a comeback. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you navigate your way through Google Meet meetings with ease and confidence. Don't forget, the key to smooth virtual communication is knowing when and how to control your microphone.